First reading, Jeremiah chapter 26 verse 1-9. At the beginning of the reign of Jehoiakim son of Josiah, king of Judah, this word came to Jeremiah from Yahweh. Yahweh says this: Stand in the court of the temple of Yahweh. To all the people from the towns of Judah who come to worship in the temple of Yahweh, you will say everything I have ordered you to say, not omitting one syllable. Perhaps they will listen and each turn from his evil way. If so, I shall relent and not bring the disaster on them which I intend, because of their misdeeds. Say to them, Yahweh says this: If you will not listen to me and follow my law which I have given you, and pay attention to the words of my servants the prophets whom I have never tired of sending to you, although you never have paid attention, I shall treat this temple as I treated Shiloh, and make this city a curse for all the nations of the world. The priests and prophets and all the people heard Jeremiah say these words in the temple of Yahweh, when Jeremiah had finished saying everything that Yahweh had ordered him to say to all the people. The priests and prophets and all the people seized hold of him and said, You will die for this. Why have you made this prophecy in Yahweh's name? This temple will become like Shiloh, and this city become an uninhabited ruin. And the people all crowded in on Jeremiah in the temple of Yahweh. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 69 verse 5, 8-10, 14. God, you know how foolish I am. My offenses are not hidden from you. I am estranged from my brothers, alienated from my own mother's sons, for I am eaten up with zeal for your house, and insults directed against you fall on me. I mortify myself with fasting, and find myself insulted for it. Rescue me from the mire before I sink in, so I shall be saved from those who hate me, from the watery depths. Gospel, John chapter 11 verse 19-27. And many Jews had come to Martha and Mary to comfort them about their brother. When Martha heard that Jesus was coming, she went to meet him. Mary remained sitting in the house. Martha said to Jesus, Lord, if you had been here, my brother would not have died, but even now I know that God will grant whatever you ask of him. Jesus said to her, Your brother will rise again. Martha said, I know he will rise again at the resurrection on the last day. Jesus said, I am the resurrection. Anyone who believes in me, even though that person dies, will live, and whoever lives and believes in me will never die. Do you believe this? Yes, Lord, she said. I believe that you are the Christ, the Son of God, the one who was to come into this world.